In this video I want to show you how to open the hood on your Chrysler Sebring. So you're gonna go over here on the left side of the steering wheel, gonna pull this latch, okay, and gonna hear a pop. Make sure you pop it completely. Let's go in the front. Pull up slightly the hood, and I know it's hard to see, but there's a latch. Let me show you. It's hard. Let me pop the hood and I'll demonstrate how to open it. So you're gonna feel a latch. You're gonna push that latch towards the left side. Okay, the latch is slightly towards the right side. Okay, and at the same time lift the hood. This is the latch I was talking about. See, put the latch like this and lift the hood. Now the prop rod will be located right over here, and it connects right over there. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.